Hello kids, today we will learn opposite words. Big, small, laugh, cry, cold, hot, fast, slow, tall, short, fat, skinny, straight, curly, strong, weak, child, adult, active, lazy, fat, thin, left, right, short, long, break, fix, clever, stupid, to build, to destroy, soft, hard, boy, girl, cold, hot, angry, happy.